In this video, I will show you exactly how to flip an image using a mirror style effect within Adobe Express. Whether you are building a social media post or a professional graphic, mirroring an image is a fantastic way to create symmetry or just fix the composition of your design. The process is remarkably straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, make sure you have your project open and your image visible on the canvas. The first thing you need to do is click directly on the image layer you want to mirror. Once the image is selected, you will see a highlight around its edges indicating that it is active. Now, turn your attention to the left side of your screen, where the Properties panel is located. This panel houses all the adjustments and tools available for your selected layer. You might need to scroll down a little bit within that panel to find the specific section labeled Flip. Within this Flip section, you are presented with two distinct icons that represent your mirroring options. If you want a classic left to right mirror effect, go ahead and click the button for horizontal flip. This instantly switches the direction the subject is facing, which is perfect for leading the viewer's eye toward your text. On the other hand, if you want an upside-down mirror effect, you should click the vertical flip button instead. This can be great for creating artistic reflections or unique patterns. You can even click both if you want to completely invert the orientation of your photo. Adobe Express makes these changes instantly, so you can toggle them back and forth until the design looks just right. This tool is incredibly useful for balancing out complex layouts without having to re-upload your assets. Just remember to keep your image selected while you make these changes. I hope this quick guide helps you master the mirror effect for your next creative project. Thanks for watching,